Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn chapter number 9, Samay. Samay, it means time. Students, you have already learnt numbers from 1 to 12 in chapter 4. 1 to Dwadash in chapter 4. By adding the word Vadanam to the number name, we can tell the time in Sanskrit. By adding the word Vadanam to the number name, we can tell the time in Sanskrit as it's dash o'clock. It is dash o'clock. For example, Sapta Vadanam, it means it's 7 o'clock. Navvadanam, it means 9 o'clock. Dwadash Vadanam, Dwadash, it means 12. And Vadanam, it means o'clock. Dwadash Vadanam, it means 12 o'clock. Students should be able to tell only complete hours in Sanskrit. Okay. Now we learn about timing to tell the time. Look at in the clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock in first image. In Sanskrit, we can call Panchavadanam. Panchavadanam. Pancha, it means 5, and Vadanam, it means clock. It's 5 o'clock. It means Panchavadanam. Then look at the second image. It is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So we can call Ashtavadanam. Ashtavadanam. Ashta, it means 8, and Vadanam, you know that. Ashtavadanam, it means 8 o'clock. Okay. Now move on our third image. It is 3 o'clock. Okay. 3 o'clock. So we can call Trivadanam in Sanskrit. Trivadanam. 3 means 3 and Vadanam, it means clock. 3 o'clock, it means Trivadanam. Then the next image, it is 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. So we can call Ekvadanam. Ekvadanam. Okay. Now, Pashyatu evam cha likhatu. Pashyatu evam cha likhatu. It means see the time and write. See the image and write the exact time in Sanskrit word. First image is 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. So we can call Ekadash Vadanam. Ekadash Vadanam, it means 11 o'clock. Right? Now the next image is Chaturvadanam. It means 4 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock. So we can call Chaturvadanam. Chaturvadanam. The next one is 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. So we can call Dwadash Vadanam. Dwadash Vadanam. It means 12 o'clock. Dwadash Vadanam means 12 o'clock. Then the next image. See, it's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Navvadanam. 9 o'clock, it means Navvadanam. Navvadanam, it means 9 o'clock. Then move on our next image. What time is it? It is 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 10 it means dash, and o'clock means vadanam. Dash vadanam. Dash vadanam, it means 10 o'clock. Next one is 7 o'clock. What time is it? 7 o'clock. So we can call Sapta Vadanam. 7 it means Sapta Vadanam. Sapta Vadanam. Now the next one is, what time is it? 2 o'clock. Right? 2 o'clock. We can call Dvivadanam in Sanskrit. Dvivadanam in Sanskrit. 2 it means Dvi, Vadanam. Dvivadanam for 2 o'clock. And the last image is 6 o'clock. What time is it? 6 o'clock. So we can call Shadvadanam. Shadvadanam. Shad means 6. Shadvadanam for 6 o'clock. Okay. Once again, the first one is Panchavadanam. Panchavadanam. Listen carefully and look at the listen the pronunciation and look at the word carefully. So you have to write the time in Sanskrit. Panchavadanam, Ashtavadanam, Trivadanam, Ekvadanam, Ekadashvadanam, Chaturvadanam, Dvadashvadanam, Navvadanam, Dashvadanam, Saptavadanam, Dvivadanam, Shadvadanam. Now the exercise, read and understand. Read the words and understand. First column is for Sankhya-vachak Shabda, and second one is Samay-vachak Shabda. First one is number, showing number, and second one is number showing time. Okay, number showing time. The first is Ekam. So we can call Ekvadanam for showing time. Dvivadanam. We can call Dvivadanam for showing time. Trini it means 3. And for 3 o'clock we can call Trivadanam. Chatvari it means 4. And 4 o'clock, so we can call Chaturvadanam for 4 o'clock. Shat it means 6. And we can call Shadvadanam for 6 o'clock. Okay. I repeat again. Ekam, it means 1. And for 1 o'clock, we can call Ekvadanam. Dve, it means 2. And for 2 o'clock, we can call Dvivadanam. Trini, it means 3. And for 3 o'clock, we can call Trivadanam. Chatvari, it means 4. For 4 o'clock, Chaturvadanam. Shat, it means 6. And we can call Shadvadanam for 6 o'clock. Got it? Now, the next one is, join A with B appropriately. there is given time and we will join with its proper word. First one is 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Where is 7 o'clock? Saptavadanam. Right? Saptavadanam is right answer. So we can call 7 with Saptavadanam. Then next one is 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock means Shadvadanam. Shadvadanam. 6 and Shad. Okay. The next one is 4 o'clock. Chaturvadanam. Chaturvadanam for 4 o'clock. 8. 8 o'clock. Ashtavadanam. Ashtavadanam for 8 o'clock. 5. 5 o'clock for Panchavadanam for 5 o'clock. We can call Panchavadanam. Once again, 7 o'clock, Saptavadanam. 6 o'clock, Shadvadanam. 4 o'clock, Chaturvadanam. 8 o'clock, Ashtavadanam. 5 o'clock, Panchavadanam. Okay, students, this is our textbook exercise. Now we will learn some more exercise for extra exercise in our workbook. We already learned this exercise in our textbook, but I repeat once again. What time is it? First one is Pashyatu evam likhtu. See and write. See the time and write its name in Sanskrit word. What time is it? It is 5 o'clock. So we can call Panchavadanam. We have to write Panchavadanam. It's 5 o'clock, Panchavadanam. Then second one, it is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So we should write Ashtavadanam. Ashtavadanam. Then third one. What time is it? 3 o'clock. Right? So we should write Trivadanam. Trivadanam. Then next image is 1 o'clock. It is 1 o'clock. So we have to write Ekvadanam. Ekvadanam. The next image is 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. And we should write Ekadash Vadanam. Ekadash Vadanam. The next image is about 4 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock. So we should write Chaturvadanam. Chaturvadanam, it means 4 o'clock. The next one is, it is 12 o'clock. What time is it? 12 o'clock. So we have to write Dwadash Vadanam. 12 means Dwadash, and for time we add Vadanam word. Dwadash Vadanam, it means 12 o'clock. Then the next image is about, it is 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. So we have to write Nav Vadanam. 9 means Nav. Nav Vadanam for 9 o'clock. Then it is 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. So we have to write Dashvadanam. Dashvadanam. Means 10 o'clock. The next one is, what time is it? What time is it? It is 7 o'clock, right? 7 o'clock. So we have to write Saptavadanam. 7 it means Sapta. Saptavadanam it means 7 o'clock. The next one, it is 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. So we have to write Dvivadanam. Dvivadanam it means 2 o'clock. Dvivadanam means 2 o'clock. And it is the last one is it is 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock it means Shadvadanam. Shadvadanam it means 6 o'clock. Okay. Once again look at here. First one is Panchavadanam. Panchavadanam. Ashtavadanam. Ashtavadanam. Trivadanam. Trivadanam. Ekvadanam. Ekvadanam. Ekadashvadanam. Ekadashvadanam. Chaturvadanam. Chaturvadanam. Dvadashvadanam. Dvadashvadanam. Navvadanam. Navvadanam. Dashvadanam. Dashvadanam. Saptavadanam. Saptavadanam. Dvivadanam. Dvivadanam. And last one, Shadvadanam. Shadvadanam. Now exercise part. For each of the given questions, choose the option that is its correct answer and write the letter corresponding to the answer in the box provided. Okay. MCQ based questions. First one, the word Vadanam means. The word Vadanam means. The options are A. Dash o'clock. B. To be heard. C. At dash o'clock. And D. Musical instrument. What is the meaning of Vadanam? Vadanam it means dash o'clock. So the correct answer is option A. Dash o'clock. It means Vadanam. Second one is the word Vadane means. The word Vadane means. The options are means dash. The options are to be heard, will be heard, dash o'clock, at dash o'clock. To be heard, will be heard, C. Dash o'clock, and D. At dash o'clock. Vadane it means at dash o'clock. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 3. The word Ghati means dash. The word Ghati means dash. The options are became less, clock, loss. Ghati it means clock, right? Wall clock or watch. Ghati it means clock. So the correct answer is option C. The word Ghati means clock. Question number 4. The word Suchi means dash. The word Suchi means dash. The options are suggestion, one who shows pointer, a hand of the clock, or D. memory. suggestion, the one who shows or pointer, a hand of the clock, or memory. Suchi, it means a hand of the clock. Option C, a hand of the clock is the correct answer. Suchi, it means hand of the clock. There are 3 hands in the clock. Okay. Question number 5. The word Chaturvadane means. The word Chaturvadane means. The options are 4 musical instruments at 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 1 showing intelligence. Chaturvadane, it means at 4 o'clock. At 4 o'clock, right? Then the next question is number 6. The word Dvadashanam means. The word Dvadashvadanam means. The options are 12th, 12, at 12, on 12th day. Dvadashvadanam means option C, at 12. The correct answer is option C, at 12. Question number 7. Write 7 o'clock in Sanskrit. Write 7 o'clock in Sanskrit. The options are Shadvadane, Saptavadane, Saptavadanam, Padun Saptavadanam. 7 o'clock, it means Saptavadanam. Option C, Saptavadanam is the correct answer. Now the next question is number 8. It is 3 o'clock. Write proper Sanskrit word for this sentence. It is 3 o'clock. Write proper Sanskrit word for this sentence. Options are Trinshat Vadanam, Trivadanam, Traivadanam, Trivadane. 3 o'clock, it means Trivadanam. The correct answer is option B, Trivadanam. Now the next question. It is 8 o'clock, write in Sanskrit. It is 8 o'clock, write in Sanskrit. The options are Ashtavadane, Ashtavadanam, Ashtunas Saptavadanam, Panchavadanam. 8 o'clock, it means option B, Ashtavadanam. The right answer is option B, Ashtavadanam. Number 2, match the columns A and B correctly. Match the columns A and B correctly. There are given 2 columns. For A, there are given time, and for column B, there are given their Sanskrit word for timing. First one is 7 o'clock. The right answer is Saptavadanam. 7 o'clock, Saptavadanam. Listen carefully. 7 o'clock, Saptavadanam. 6 o'clock, Shadvadanam. 6 o'clock, Shadvadanam. 4 o'clock, Chaturvadanam. 4 o'clock, Chaturvadanam. 8 o'clock, Ashtavadanam. 8 o'clock, Ashtavadanam. Then 5 o'clock, Panchavadanam. 5 o'clock, Panchavadanam. Okay. Now look at the time shown in the following clocks and write them in Sanskrit under each clock. Right? You have to look in the clock and write the time in Sanskrit. First clock, there is 11 o'clock. It is 11 o'clock. So we have to write ekadashvadanam. Ekadashvadanam for 11 o'clock. Then 4 o'clock, Chaturvadanam. Chaturvadanam for 4 o'clock. The next one is 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, Dwadashvadanam. Dwadashvadanam. 12 o'clock, Dwadashvadanam. Next one, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, Navvadanam. Navvadanam. Then 10 o'clock, Dashvadanam. 10 o'clock, Dashvadanam. The next one is 7 o'clock, Saptavadanam. 7 o'clock, Saptavadanam. 2 o'clock, Dvivadanam. 2 o'clock, Dvivadanam. Next one is 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, Shadvadanam. 6 o'clock, Shadvadanam. And the last one is 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, Panchavadanam. Panchavadanam. It means 5 o'clock. So students, this is our chapter number 9 and this is our last chapter of semester 1. Our syllabus is completed here. So you have to try your best for next exam and prepare everything for unit test 3 and semester 1 exam. Okay. All the best. Thank you.